Good morning, everyone. Wow, it looks like I've got a lot of flowers up here this year. If it would get pollinated, I might have a lot of berries. I'd really like to see a lot of berries. Red berries for Christmas. Everybody's here and doing good. I can hear the cicadas in the background. We didn't get any more rain overnight, but it's still pretty wet out here, and there's a good chance later in the day we'll get some more rain. I don't think we're going to see the sun. Well, it was 6/10 up top and 7/10 down below, and at any point we had enough rain. I'm happy about it. Just make sure the fountains over here have water. They haven't been having any issues. Just the blue one, unfortunately, is leaking. But I can turn it off on A, so if I see the oh, it's plenty full. If I see the light on but no water flowing, I just turn it off. Poor BB-80's really dirty and not very wide anymore, poor guy. And really did good cleaning up yesterday. He's got him room to work over here. And upstairs, he really put stuff back upstairs that he drug out for projects. Is that a moth in my machine? Poor guy. That's a first. With the PLA, you're supposed to keep it cool, so you keep the door open. I printed the hat for my minifigure guy. It looks perfect. I got to pull those supports out of there. Don't think it'll be a problem. Okay, it's all good. I was able to get the support off. And I need to print some green pins, little tiny 30-minute print, and then at some point we can put it together. I may have problems with the clips because they're not flexible enough because I didn't use PETG. And if that appears to be the case, then I'm going to order some PETG. Hi. Oh, hi. Hey there, Panther. Hi. How are ya? Hi, sweet boy. Yeah, we got extra dishes because we had ice cream last night and the dishwasher was full. So I stacked them instead of bringing them in. Hi, sweetheart. Good boy. Yep, really lovely morning. Everything looking so happy from the rain. Birds chirping. I can hear the cicadas, but now the air conditioner's running the heat pump and somebody's, I guess, blowing off in the distance, so it's a very subtle noise. I'm pretty sure there's a black-capped chickadee in the bluebird box over here. I've seen this little whitish bird come and go, and I just saw the black-capped chickadee kind of come through here, so I guess that makes sense. Not a problem, just somebody's using the box. Last year the bluebirds did their second brood or third brood in that box, not early in the year, so not too surprised. I'll clean it out when I'm pretty sure this bird's done. Good morning, Gray. Hi. How are you? That's a pretty clean bowl. Good girl. Good girl. That's the bowl I brought in at midnight. Hi. Hi. Well, I've been putting just a little less in your bowl, so hopefully I'm not overfeeding you. I don't want to be doing that. See, the other guys, they have help from the other kitties, but you not so much. Unfortunately, Don says he can't walk before this afternoon, and he's got stuff going on with work. Really is winding down, but a couple of things. Today's the last day of the contract to handle, so I'm gonna come out here and start pulling stilt grass, which is what I had intended to do yesterday, except for the rain got in the way. I'm not worried about where I mow, but like in here, right there, that would be a good place to tackle it. Doesn't have to be perfect, but taming it back sure would be good. I know it doesn't look a lot different, but I've made pretty good progress. It's 12:45. I just reapplied some bug spray because unfortunately the mosquitoes are after me out here today. First time this year I've needed to do that. I'm gonna pull for another 30 minutes to an hour and then I'm gonna stop. I have mostly worked straight out and a little to the left. So I'll be working for a bit more. I've had lots of helpers, mostly behaving but occasionally getting upset. Marty was mean to Morris, and Tux is periodically not happy that there are any other cats in the yard. I heard you, Tux. Where are you? Hi, sweet boy. Thank you for keeping me company. Meow. Yeah, I did pretty good all the way over to here. But not some of the far fringe out, but all around the dogwood tree, the stuff we see the most. Obviously, it's really not too bad in here, but there's some in here that needs done as well. Another day. Hi. Yeah, you guys both did good keeping me company. I love you. I'm getting started on the beekeeper's house. Looky who's off work. And looky what came down on the driveway.
Yeah.
Stripey, you followed us all the way out. Yeah, that's a car. Don't go out there ever. That's right. You stay in your yard. You're really good about it. Us living on a cul-de-sac is a good thing. Hi there, sweetheart. Come on. Well, it's looking just as cute as a button. I'm not quite done with the first floor, but I'm close. But it's after 7 and dinner's done, so lots of interesting stuff going on inside. And yeah, I'm enjoying it.